Hi Ray. So I'm checking out the media library, and I've noticed that, let's take this image here, Sawn Rocks at Mount Capita. The original size is reported at 542 kilobytes. If I go to FTP 555, so we just said 542. So the image is bigger in FTP than what it's saying in original size. And I did this on this image directly above it and noticed the same thing. So I've got 542, 555. If I optimize the image, okay, so it's saying it's saved a tiny bit, 3.79, 542, 555. So if I, so 542, 555, I'll just refresh this page and then I'll go to FileZilla and refresh 542, 555. It's just connecting. Okay, so I've got 551 now, which would probably be in line with that 0.7 3.79. So yeah, it's roughly about right. The last time I did this on the other image, this size grew. It got bigger rather than smaller. So it's encouraging to see that it's not every time. This one is smaller. The original size, I'll refresh the page, it's still reporting that 542. Yeah, so that size there has not changed. So I'm guessing that perhaps these aren't updating for some reason. And anyway, so I'll leave that with you, and let me know what you think. I could do one more file. I mean, you pause the video here if you're happy, but I'll do one more so that we've got more of an idea. So I'll pause the video now and I'll do another one in a sec. Okay, so I'll try and be quick. This image here is 535, and in FTP 548. So 535, 548. 535, 548. Just pause the video. It was spinning in a circle. Nothing was happening for a fair while. So I refreshed the page. Still at 535. The button is still there. So I'll try again. Pause the video and tell you what happens. We're waiting about, I don't know, 40 seconds. It's happened again. So the spinning circle disappears, and it's just left in this grey state. And then if I refresh the page, the blue button will come back and the size won't change. So I'll just refresh the page now. So this image won't crack. So which one was it again? Oh, hang on. $535. Which one was it? Chelan Falls. It's listed by size, so maybe it's moved in the list. 535, 548. Lovely. 1 second. So I've tried a few times, and I think the file has disappeared. So I'll just check in Farm FTP. So I've just refreshed FTP, so the file is still there, but now it's missing from the media library, and 542, oh geez, it wasn't 522, that's for sure. Go back in the video obviously and see what times I said, file sizes I said. So yeah, there's a few issues obviously. I'll throw it over to you now, I think. Hopefully this isn't too long-winded and you get an idea of what's going on. So still not sure if we should be using the Kraken plugin. It does seem to work okay, but there's obviously a few issues. So anyway, I'll leave it with you and let me know what you think. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.